In this lecture, we will talk about decomposition of a function by using this example. This example is y equals fifth root of x divided by 6 plus fifth root of x. So the example is find functions fg such that f of g of x is y. Okay, so this is y. So we want to decompose this one into two functions such that the composition of these two functions is the given function right here. There is a need for this in calculus. That's why we call this class is pre-calculus. If we know how to decompose this function, later on in calculus, we know how to find out derivative of this function. So this kind of exercise is necessary. The key idea for doing this is that there are two steps. One step is that which expression is big, then that one will be the function g of x. So you need g of x inside. And then how to find g of x? Those two are the same, and they are big, so this one will be g of x. Okay? So g of x is easy to find. In this case, then you can see g of x should be fifth root of x. That's one thing. And then step 2 is that you want to replace the big expression with x. Then the new expression with the new x will be f of x. Okay? So you find out g of x first. Which one is big? Then that one will be f of x, g of x. Then you replace this big expression by a new x, and then the new function you get will be f of x. So you see how to find out fg. You find g first. You see here g goes second. F, the composition of f with g goes second. But when you do this kind of things, you find g first. So here is that we have a g, which is the big expression, and then we replace this big expression with new x, and then the new function is going to be f of x. Okay, so it's easy to do that. Now check. When you do the composition of f with g, then you know that's f of g of x. F of g of x is fifth root of x. And then you plug in this big expression into replace x right here with the big expression, you put it back. Actually, up to here you are done, but you know this is the x step. Okay, you can check if you did right or not. Okay, good. Now, this is the one I did for this example here, example right here, and then you may try another one yourself. You see, if I were you, I would do, what is the composition of this one? You see, the big one, x squared plus 5, that's the big one. You want to let this one be g of x, which is x squared plus 5. Then you have a g of x. What's f? F is that you replace this expression with x, then the new function will be f of x. So that would be 2 plus radical x will be f of x. Okay, so down here, see, f of x is 2 plus radical x, and g of x is x squared plus 5. And then the composition of f with g is the one right here. Remember, it's not g. The composition of g with f, that's totally different. So the composition of f with g. Okay? Okay, I'll see you next time.